Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes on Tools.
This entire website, from landing page to a fully functional dashboard, everything here was built with AI. And this isn't just a static demo. I can actually use Ready Agent to book an appointment, automatically send a confirmation email, and receive it instantly. That means this is already a real working workflow, not just a design mockup.
So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI tools should be next on the list.
So today I am testing Ready with one simple goal. Can it help me build something that feels like custom dev quality, but with the speed and iteration you actually need when shipping client projects? Ready.AI is designed to simplify website creation for everyone. Instead of dealing with complicated tools or writing code, you simply describe the website you want, and the AI generates a complete design instantly. From landing pages to business websites and personal portfolios, Ready turns ideas into real, editable websites in just a few clicks. One of the core concepts behind Ready is flexibility. You can build your website your way by customizing layouts, text, and sections freely, or you can start with a template that already includes structure and design. These templates give you a strong starting point, allowing beginners to create professional websites quickly while still giving creators the freedom to personalize everything. Now I'm starting the actual website creation process using Ready.AI. Instead of building everything manually, I begin with a simple prompt that tells the AI to create a modern SaaS website that includes a dashboard as one of its main features. The goal here isn't to add every detail at once, but to generate a clean foundation that I can improve step by step. With just one prompt, Ready creates the basic website structure, including pages like the homepage, features section, pricing, and authentication pages. It also introduces the dashboard concept, focused on marketing, sales, and advertising analytics, giving me a strong starting point without needing design or coding skills. This approach makes the workflow much easier because I can now edit, customize, and expand the platform gradually instead of starting from scratch. From here, I'll continue refining the design and adding more advanced features to turn this into a complete business platform. Now that the website structure was ready, the next step was improving the visual experience to make the platform feel more professional and dynamic. I started by explaining my design goals to ChatGPT and asked it to generate a detailed prompt describing the improvements I wanted for the website. The prompt included visual upgrades, animations, and layout enhancements to give the platform a modern SaaS identity. Once the prompt was generated, I pasted it directly into Ready. Within a few seconds, the platform automatically applied the requested modifications. During the process, an error occurred, but Ready detected the issue and handled it for me, resolving it without interrupting the workflow. This made the iteration process fast and seamless. After the update, the website immediately felt more polished. Each feature now has its own unique image that reflects its purpose, making the content clearer and more engaging. The landing page background was enhanced with subtle animated elements inspired by live data, creating a sense of movement and activity. Smooth scroll-based animations were also added, allowing elements to appear naturally as users navigate, while sticky components keep important information visible throughout the experience. The homepage now feels like a live product demo rather than a static template, giving the platform a modern, launch-ready SaaS appearance. This is the website after applying those improvements. After completing the homepage, I moved on to building the dashboard experience. My goal was to create a powerful and realistic SaaS control center, so I started by explaining my vision to ChatGPT. I described the type of dashboard I wanted, inspired by a modern, data-rich example, and asked it to generate a detailed prompt covering structure, features, and content for every interface. Once the prompt was ready, I pasted it into Ready, which automatically generated the dashboard layout and components within seconds. The system translated the instructions into a structured interface, creating multiple sections designed to handle different aspects of the platform. Starting with the overview interface, I added a complete global summary of the platform. This page includes key performance metrics, revenue and user statistics, activity timelines, campaign snapshots, notifications, quick actions, and recent team updates. The goal was to give users an instant understanding of everything happening across the system in one place. In the analytics interface, I focused on detailed insights and data visualization. I added performance charts, traffic analytics, user behavior tracking, conversion funnels, and time-based comparisons, allowing users to analyze growth and performance trends clearly. The advertising interface was designed for campaign management. Here, I included campaign performance tables, budget tracking, ROI metrics, ad performance charts, and status indicators so users can monitor and optimize their marketing efforts efficiently. For the sales interface, I introduced revenue analytics, sales funnels, transaction tables, customer insights, and conversion tracking. This section helps visualize business performance and monitor financial growth. Finally, the team interface focuses on collaboration and management. It includes team member lists, roles and permissions, activity logs, and access controls, making it easy to manage users and monitor team activity. With all these interfaces combined, the dashboard now feels like a complete professional SaaS environment ready for real-world use. And if you want to scale it further, you can connect integrations like Supabase for database handling or Stripe for payments. If you are a freelancer, this workflow helps you deliver something that feels premium without burning weeks on custom development. If you are an agency, the value is repeatability and consistency across builds. If you are a marketer, structure matters because it guides users through proof, benefits, and action, not just design. If you want to try Ready, I will put the link in the description and pinned comment. With my link, you can create 2 projects for free. Hope you enjoy this experience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.